Carol. Yes, happy birthday. Happy birthday to Ate LB and belated happy birthday to Amy. We love you so much. See, kita yung mga attire namin. Naka ano kami? Naka-pink lahat. Oh, niyan. Oh, live.
Hello everyone!
Live na live tayo. Good morning. Let's go. Yes, come on, one by one. Asindera. Live, live. Go. Next, Ate Cora, live. Wow. Next. Ate Cora.
Ayaw, di ba?
Laban. Ay, Ate Tumir. Wala pa ko na drunk. Kalimot. Yes, happy birthday.
Now it's time to celebrate the birthday girls today.
Wow.
And we do lampan!
Love.
No.
Next.
Good morning everyone! Here now, it's time to celebrate the birthday of two Bachelorette. So now girls, wait for later on. We're gonna have a disco, we're gonna have a drink. Let's go!
Let's go. Happy birthday. Yoo-hoo. Ano mas say? What you can say, Ate LB? Ano ang masulti? Tingin ikaw. Ano ang masulti for today? O sa masabi for today event?
What?
Very good. Oh, look at look at the girls, right? Beautiful. Look at the show.
To the bottom.
Woohoo.
Look at that. And thank you for the organizers of this, especially to Amy, to prepare everything to all the girls. It's rock and roll.
And thanks for the Amy there in front, the front seat, and the driver at this Mergy.
Thank you to Mahal Mamita Margie, for our driver, photographer, all in one.
All in one. Very good.
For the limousine, thank you.
Thank you for the limo.
Thank you, Mahal.
Yes.